Most embroidery machines for hats on Amazon are overpriced junk built to fail fast. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Tired of machines that can barely stitch a hat without skipping threads? Don't worry, this video will help you pick the right embroidery machine for hats. Today, I'm going to be going over the best embroidery machine for hats that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Smartstitch S-1001. From the moment you unbox it, the Smartstitch S-1001 signals readiness for serious production, appealing to small studios. Whether upgrading a shop capacity or starting a dedicated embroidery desk, 10 needles give you complex multicolor designs with dependable thread management. Build quality combines a sturdy metal frame with a compact profile, ensuring durability while preserving portability for studio spaces and on-site events. On the front, a 7-inch touchscreen provides intuitive navigation, quick access to design libraries, color changes, and real-time stitch monitoring. Auto thread trimming streamlines workflow by cutting excess threads at the end of each stitch, reducing manual intervention and shortening production cycles. Laser embroidery positioning marks precise placement on hats and garments, improving alignment consistency for bulk orders and preventing misaligned designs. Comprehensive training resources include operation manuals and video tutorials, and the latest generation adds auto color changing for easier color management. Full embroidery capability spans denim, canvas, leather, vinyl, caps, shoes, and bags, with the starter pack delivering stabilizers and threads for beginners. Its embroidery area spans 9.5 by 14.2 inches, enabling bold motifs on hats and garments with fewer repositionings. Rated at a theoretical top speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, operators report steady operation with controlled noise and minimal vibrations. Compared to a popular entry-level rival, this machine offers more robust threading features and a larger embroidery area. The pros include compact size and lightweight, a 7-inch touchscreen, and a starter pack included. The cons include an expensive price point and a steeper learning curve for new users seeking budget-friendly options. At number 4, we have the Smartstitch S-1001. This machine targets ambitious embroidery shops and serious hobbyists who want industrial-level capabilities without overwhelming complexity. With a 12-needle configuration and a 12 by 16-inch embroidery field, it delivers expansive designs while maintaining a compact footprint. The chassis blends durability with user-friendliness, designed to survive daily use in busy studios and small business environments. A bright 10-inch touchscreen with built-in Wi-Fi makes job setup intuitive and remote monitoring practical for teams. Auto thread trimming and auto color changing streamline workflows, reducing operator fatigue and boosting output consistency. A self-lubricating system pairs with thread break detection to minimize downtime during long productions. Laser embroidery positioning and newly added physical buttons simplify alignment, enabling precise results for hats, caps, and apparel. Compared to older rivals, this model offers the largest embroidery area among machines with fewer than 15 needles. The pros include 12 by 16-inch embroidery area, comprehensive training and support, and starter pack with embroidery threads, stabilizers, and bobbin threads. The cons include high upfront investment and some complexity for beginners. Training and support are built into the package with manuals, videos, and online assistance from dedicated Smartstitch engineers. The starter pack includes embroidery threads, stabilizers, and bobbin threads, helping you begin immediately with a productive setup. In real-world testing, the S-1001 delivered reliable stitch quality across denim and leather when run at practical production speeds. Program updates and accessory compatibility ensure ongoing adaptability for future projects. At number 3, we have the FUJA embroidery machine for hats. If you are launching a small hat embroidery business, this 10-needle system presents itself as a practical all-in-one solution. Beginner-friendly training support with manuals, setup videos, and online help can shorten the learning curve for first-time operators. Its 9.5 by 14.2-inch embroidery area pairs with a cap station for efficient hat embroidery. Constructed with a premium brushed aluminum shell, the FUJA embroidery machine for hats conveys durability under daily use and repeated cap projects. Its low-noise structure and self-lubricating mechanism reduce user fatigue during long sessions, while remaining straightforward to service. The 10-needle workflow supports up to 1,200 stitches per minute, auto color change, and auto thread trimming to speed production. DST and DSB transfer via USB or Wi-Fi streamline design loading and cap alignment with the laser tracer. A standout feature is a memory bank that holds up to 100 million stitches, enabling complex multi-design sequences with confidence. Capstation support helps quick hat embroidery setups alongside starter kit and basic tools, letting new users begin stitching within hours. Training and setup guidance are included, with videos and manuals to walk through tension, threading, and cap alignment. Compared to the Brother SE1900, the FUJA offers cap embroidery capabilities bundled with a complete starter kit and faster setup. The pros include capstation included, starter kit included, and auto color change. The cons include high price and bulky freight packaging that requires 2 people to move. At number 2, we have the Poolin EOC05. From the moment you unbox the Poolin EOC05, it signals a beginner-friendly focus and approachable setup for home embroiderers. Build quality feels solid in hand with a compact footprint that suits small craft spaces yet remains sturdy under regular use. The design prioritizes a clean, simple workflow with a slim profile and a controlled interface that reduces accidental contact. The machine features a large 7-inch color touchscreen that simplifies navigation and makes onboarding smoother for newcomers. InStitch OS 2 delivers intuitive menus that guide beginners through setup, design transfers, and project customization without overwhelming options. This is an embroidery-only machine, focusing training on stitch precision and hoop management instead of sewing features. 2 embroidery hoops and a starter kit are included to help new users practice right away. In a quick side-by-side with the Brother PE800, the Poolin EOC05 prioritizes ease over sewing versatility. The pros include beginner-friendly onboarding, compact home-friendly size, and a large color touchscreen. The cons include a higher price for entry-level embroidery, and the embroidery-only setup may require a separate sewing machine later. In real-world testing, design transfers over Wi-Fi are smooth and reliable, while performance stays steady on standard home projects. The learning curve remains gentle, with many hobbyists reporting comfortable progress from simple motifs to more complex designs after a short practice period. At this price, buyers receive solid value with built-in software access, a capable footprint, and ongoing compatibility through firmware updates. For future expansion, the Poolin EOC05 supports easy learning, reliable wireless transfers, and room to grow. At number 1, we have the BAI The Mirror 15. This machine offers a robust chassis and a spacious 20 by 14-inch working area optimized for high-volume hat and garment production. While exact weight is not disclosed, the frame design prioritizes portability and compact studio compatibility for home businesses pursuing hats. The InStitch OS 5 guided workflow simplifies setup and color changes, reducing the learning curve for beginners while maintaining professional output. A 15-needle array drives efficient multicolor logos, uniforms, and hats by minimizing thread changes during complex embroidery sequences. The machine supports up to 1,200 stitches per minute on flat embroidery and maintains stable cap performance for hats at elevated speeds. The system includes optional software and training, and BAI offers local tech support to help you troubleshoot tensions and optimize production lines. Durability goals center on a durable chassis and brand name components designed for long-term service, minimizing replacement cycles in busy shops. Compared with a standard single-head machine, the Mirror 15 delivers higher output thanks to its 15-needle array and guided workflows. We tested multicolor logos, and the machine held tight registration and color stops across complex designs, minimizing thread breaks. For cap embroidery specifically, the cap mode maintains stable hooping and consistent stitch density, yielding clean, professional results on hats. In terms of community and learning, the large user group and official tutorials provide practical tips that shorten the learning curve. As a direct comparison, the Mirror 15 outperforms a typical domestic embroidery setup in throughput and reliability for small shops. The pros include high production speed, 15-needle efficiency, and long-term value. The cons include steep upfront investment and sizable studio footprint.